Shorty's on the dome and I need her. I've been on the road but I'm fiending. I don't got the time but I need it. Damn, I'm so fly but I need it.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So I'm back with another Amazon wig video, and this wig does come from Unice. If you guys check the info section below, I will have all of the details and links provided there. So this unit is a part of their new Bye Bye Slip collection, and this is what my unit looks like. I did pick up this reddish brown 16-inch Bye Bye Slip curly with spiral ends 7x5-inch lace wig, and this is what it looks like. Again, it's in that gorgeous reddish brown color that kind of alters itself when you manipulate the hair. So if it's looking a bit too clownish or bright right now, put a little bit of water on it. I guarantee it's gonna look like a beautiful medium reddish brown color that I absolutely love. So this is the cap construction. You do have the Bye Bye Slip silicone cap. It comes with one comb, a drawstring, and their stretchy adjustable band. So therefore you can get a nice custom fit and you don't have to worry about it slipping off or anything like that. So as usual, I like to put a little bit of foundation on the lace to get it to blend in better with my skin tone. I went ahead and I did that. You guys can see how it just matches my skin tone perfectly. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a stocking cap, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this wig on.
Then I keep coming back. Then I keep coming back. She got me like it. But then I keep coming back. Then I keep coming back to you. Yeah, this one's for my...
So this unit originally does not come with baby hairs, but I just decided to pull small amount out. Of course, this is optional. I did this just because it works for me. You don't have to do this. So I went ahead and I cut those down. I'm going to take some of my gel and go ahead and get that slicked down. So I've had units like this in the past that kind of has like those spiral ends, and I usually don't really know what to do with it. However, the thing that works for me is that I kind of carefully separate the curls, and this is what's going to provide some volume. However, it's still going to be spirally in that front. You guys are going to see the more that I work with the hair, that the hair is going to be curly, but I'm going to have very subtle spiral curls in the front. So right now I'm just spritzing down the hair using some water, following up with some gel and then some foamy wrap mousse. Then I'm going to go through it using my Alicia Leatherwood brush just to where I can develop some definition with this unit. You guys can see how this hair just curls right back up, and I'm not sure if you guys can see it as well as I can. However, the very front of the hair has spiral curls, whereas the back of it is just kind of like a kinky curly, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to go ahead and work on the other side, and I'm going to let you guys see what it looks like once I'm finished. So I want to show you guys what this unit looks like from its wet state, but I didn't want the hair dripping wet, so I'm just diffusing the hair. It was about 30% dry. Then I'm going to let you guys see what this unit looks like under different lighting. I went ahead and I removed my edge band. Now I'm just taking my hair concealer stick in the color black, and I'm just going around that parting area just to make that parting space pop, as well as to make it look like I'm kind of growing out my hair. It's kind of giving like that dark color grown out root look. Then I'm going to take some of my powder foundation and I'm going into the part once again to allow that part to pop. So this is what the hair looks like in its wet state. It's probably like around 30% dry at this point, but it's no longer dripping wet. So in case you guys want to wear your hair in like a wash and go or kind of like a wet look, this is what this unit is going to look like. You guys can see how that red color definitely toned itself down. It's more so like a subtle reddish brown color that's not too outlandish, just in case you guys are afraid to experiment with color. So I wanted to show you guys what this unit looks like under like direct lighting. So I'm outside in my backyard. You guys can see how that red color looks. It's not too bright, okay? It's not too crazy, but it's very subtle. And this again is the hair about 30% dry. So now I went inside the house, I pulled out my diffuser again. Now I'm going to completely dry this hair. I'm going to get it to like maybe like around 90% dry. And then I'm going to go back outside and let you guys see what this hair looks like from the dry state. Okay, you guys, so this is what this unit looks like dry. Once again, it's about 90% dry at this point. You guys can see how much this unit shrunk. But once again, I'm outside of my backyard letting you guys see what this hair looks like under the sun. And once again, it's not too crazy. It's not too crazy. It's a nice subtle reddish brown color. It's not like your Ronald McDonald red clown hair or anything like that. It's very subtle and I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to show you guys how bouncy this hair is and just how curly this hair is. You guys can see in the very front is still kind of spirally. However, the rest of the hair is more so kinky. You guys can see how natural the perimeter of the hairline looks and how it lays on my forehead. You guys can see the part, how it just looks like actual scalp. You guys, this unit is absolutely gorgeous. But again, you guys check out Unice. I'll have all the details and links provided in the info section below. You guys definitely let me know what you guys think about this unit and whether you guys will be picking this one up for yourself. Of course, you can put it behind your ears. It does have that 7x5" lace, but there's so much more that you can do with this unit, and I am a true fan of it. So once again, you guys let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Bye.